Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how I look after my lip structure today. How I keep it nice and clean and polished and whatever else. So a 30mm lip stretcher, I take it out with clean hands. You can see how gunky it is after just one day. Then I'm going to give it a scrub with antiseptic wash. You can see my face without my lip stretcher in. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Rub, rub, rub. Scrub-a-dub-dub. You know the score. Going for it. Showing you it all. Like, you know, it's not the scruffiest thing that I would show you, but here I am. It clearly is the scruffiest thing. Right, okay. So then I wash it off, dry it off. Shan's came to pester me. And then here it is. In the next step, I get my polishing rag for brass and scrub, scrub, scrub again. So it's all ready for the morning and I can put it in nice and fresh after I brush my teeth in the morning. So then I scrub that and now I'm going to put moisturising cream on my face and around my lips and everywhere else. This is what I do every night before bed, guys. It doesn't taste very nice if it gets in your mouth or on your tongue for that matter. But yeah, getting it in and around everywhere feels so good when you got no jewellery in. Next step, brushing my teeth without my lip stretcher in. Yeah, so I kind of tilt my head back slightly. I don't know if you can see on the video, but just stops it leaking out my lip stretcher, and I can get right behind and in front of my bottom teeth without it being in there, and I can have a good old scrub-a-dub-dub. Yeah, I use a wooden toothbrush because I like the earth and stuff, so yeah. Moving on. This is me the next morning, all ready. Last thing I do after I've eaten breakfast and put my face on, I put this in very gently. There we go, bye!